What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to another Makeup Artist Monday. It's artistry like bam. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning back in this week. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Brandon, and I'm a professional makeup artist in Chicago, and I do makeup videos every week on Monday. So this week, we're going to be talking about my top 3 favorite foundation brushes and why I like them. So let's hop right in. A brush that I absolutely love and cannot live without is the 68 BDHD Phase 2 brush from the Golden Triangle Bdellium Tools collection. I have multiples of this brush. I absolutely adore this brush. It is a big, large paddle style brush. This brush is amazing at blending. This you can blend with foundation, cream bronzers, cream blushes, anything on the skin. It really presses into the skin and really hugs the skin. It really marries the skin really nicely with any product that you're using. I absolutely adore this brush. Like I said, I have multiples of it in my kit. This is the Golden Triangle collection, so it has that really beautiful painted blue handle, and then if you can tell, it's actually triangle shaped so that when you place it down on the countertop, it doesn't roll and it doesn't move, so it actually stays where you place it, which is super cool. It has this really beautiful rose gold ferrule. I absolutely love it. There's multiples in this collection. I think that there's 3 different Golden Triangle collections, and they're all really beautiful. I have 2 of them, and then this collection, I have multiples of this style brush specifically. So this is the 68 BDHD Phase 2 brush. I absolutely love it. It's synthetic, really beautiful, blends everything like a dream. I'll insert a video here so you can see me using it, but this is a definitely go-to foundation brush if you're looking for a new one. But I use this typically for really everything: foundation, blush, bronzer, everything. So let's hop into brush number 2. So brush number 2 is going to be also by Bdellium Tools. This is from their Golden Triangle collection as well. This is the 956 Slanted Precision Buffing Brush. So as you can see, it is a little bit more slanted, just like that. It is synthetic and natural hair, just like the other one that I showed you guys before. It's got that really beautiful rose gold handle, that really beautiful blue handle as well, and then it's got that triangle shape so that this one doesn't roll as well. Like I said, there are multiple collections of this style brush, but this is the 956 Slanted Precision Brush. I love this brush because it presses foundation into the skin really nicely. You can also buff foundation into the skin really nicely, and what's really cool is that the white hairs actually diffuse the product really nicely and give you like a whisper blend, and then the black and brown hairs actually go in to give you a little bit of a deeper blend. So you can really press on the product, kind of stamp it into place, and then really blend it as you're using it. So this is a really great brush to have. You can use this for contour, blending that out. Like I said, blush, bronzer, cream bronzers, any kind of foundation, concealer works great for all those products. So yeah, this is the 956 Slanted Golden Triangle Buffing Brush, Precision Buffing Brush. I love this brush. It's absolutely a staple in my kit. Like I said, I have multiples of these, and we're going to be hopping on to brush number 3. So for brush number 3, we're going to be going to a different company. This is from Royal Langnickle or Omnia brushes. I love this brush. This is the BOM 206 brush. As you can see, it's a different style of synthetic brush. It's got beautiful synthetic fibers. It's that really nice, cool tapered shape. This is really dense, so it's really packed full, which is nice. This packs product onto the skin really nicely, but because of the shape, you can really go in and get a really nice seamless blend. So if you're using it for concealer, you can kind of pack and press concealer into the skin, but then you can go in and use it for foundation or anything else and kind of buff and blend anything that you need. All 3 of these brushes that I chose for foundation are multi-purpose. Like I said, you can use them for blush, bronzer, cream bronzers, anything like that. Liquid powder or creams will work with all these brushes because they are all synthetic, all blendable, which is really nicely, all blend like a dream. This is definitely one of my favorites. A little bit of a different style brush because of the shape, but it's great because it really hugs the skin and presses things into like the nose area, the chin area, the under eye area, and it's really precise because of that shape. And as you're using a product, it really kind of holds that shape in place, which is nice. And then you can go back in and blend or buff, which this was really nice too for body painting. If you're a body painter out there, I've used this with like large body paints, and you can go on and give really beautiful, nice large strokes, and it doesn't give you any of that streaks that you're using because of the buffing technology that's really in this brush. So that's this week's Makeup Artist Monday video. I hope you guys learned something and had fun with me this week. These 3 brushes will be linked down below. If you love this makeup content, please subscribe down below as well. And until next week's Makeup Artist Monday video, guys, I hope you have a great week, and I'll see you all next week.